frozen yogurt bars. And for this, you'll need vanilla extract, honey, yogurt of your choice, lemon, and for garnishing, granola and strawberries. You need a bowl and a mixing utensil. Also, a cookie sheet with parchment paper. First, you will add a cup of yogurt. Make sure you get all the yogurt out of the cup. Next, you will add a big squirt of honey. You can add more if you would like. Then, after that, you will add a splash of vanilla extract. Then mix. Then, after mixing all of your ingredients together, as we have here, you will pour it onto the parchment paper with the cookie sheet. Spread the yogurt out so it is in a thin sheet. After your yogurt mixture is spread out as you see here, it's time for the toppings. So first, I'm going to take your strawberries and just spread them out wherever you would like. It should look like this after you are done spreading the granola on top. Now it is time to put it in the freezer.
Go.
Leave it in the freezer for 2 hours. After it's frozen, you can cut it up and enjoy. After it's all cut up, don't forget to put it back in the freezer.